Solve the equation s plus 8 times 6s squared plus 13s minus 5 is equal to 0. Notice before we get started that if we began multiplying these two factors together, we would get an s cubed term. This is a third degree equation and it can have up to 3 solutions. Let's solve it, however, not by multiplying these together, but by continuing to factor. So our leading factor is s plus 8. Our second factor here, if it does factor, is going to factor as 2 binomials. Let's factor using trial and error. 6s squared comes from the product of 3s and 2s. Now we want to get the factors of a negative 5 in their appropriate places. Let's use a negative 1 here and a positive 5 with this last binomial. Quickly checking, is negative 2s plus 15s equal to 13s? Yes, it is. Now let's use our zero factor property. So s plus 8 is equal to 0, or 3s minus 1 is equal to 0, or 2s plus 5 is equal to 0. Now solving each linear piece gives s is equal to negative 8, 3s is equal to 1, or s is equal to 1/3. And with our last linear piece, 2s is equal to negative 5, or s is equal to a negative 5/2. Checking these solutions will verify that they indeed work in the original equation. So let's summarize by saying the solution set is, I'm going to write this negative 8 first, and then our negative 5/2 next, and then the 1/3, placing those in a numerical order. The solution set is negative 8, negative 5/2, and 1/3.